Struggling to find the right tennis racket that matches your skill level and enhances your game? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. Let's kick things off with the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. Priced at just $37.33, this racket caught my attention with its vibrant pink and gray design and impressive features. If you want a solid racket for recreational play without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Wilson Tour Slam has some standout features that make it a great choice for beginners and casual players. Its volcanic frame technology is designed to provide enhanced power and stability, which means you won't be struggling to get your shots over the net. Plus, the power strings are longer, which translates to explosive power, exactly what you're looking for if you want to make an impact on the court. The airlight alloy construction makes it easy to swing, and the stop shock pads help reduce racket vibrations, giving you a better feel on every hit. With over 1,000 units sold in the last month, it's a popular option among players. Now, some people complained about the grip size being a bit too snug for larger hands. Here's the thing though, if you have smaller hands or you're just starting out, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's an excellent entry-level racket that gets the job done without any fuss. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an affordable way to enjoy tennis. Skip this one if you have larger hands or prefer a heavier racket. At this price point, you're getting a solid value with the Wilson Tour Slam. Now, if the grip issue worried you, the next option offers a completely different approach with a wider grip size.
Product number 2, High Rally Tennis Racket Set. The High Rally Tennis Rackets 2-pack, priced at $41.99. What caught my eye here is the complete package that includes 2 rackets, 3 balls, and a carry bag. If you're looking for a starter set that gives you everything to get on the court, this is a great option. This High Rally set is crafted from thickened aviation aluminum, which means it's built to last without being too heavy. Each racket weighs around 260 grams. This lightweight design helps prevent arm fatigue, so you can focus on mastering your swing and enjoying the game. The reinforced triangular yi joint adds stability and shock absorption, making your hits feel solid and controlled. Plus, the large sweet spot means you have a better chance of making good contact even on off-center strikes. With over 1,000 units sold recently, this set has caught the attention of beginner players everywhere. That said, some users noted that the rackets could be a bit flimsy under heavy use. But here's my take. If you're just getting started or playing casually, this shouldn't be a huge concern. It's a reliable set for learning and developing your skills. This is perfect for couples or families wanting to play together casually. Skip this one if you're an advanced player looking for high-performance gear. With this set, you're getting a solid value for all the essentials to start playing right away. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your needs if you want something specifically designed for comfort. Product number 3, Wilson Tour Slam, Grip Size 3. The Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, priced at $36.99, is another gem worth considering. It's similar to the first one, but features a slightly larger grip size, which may fit some players better. If you want a reliable entry-level racket that's easy to handle, this is worth a serious look. This version still boasts volcanic frame technology and power strings that enhance your power and stability. The addition of stop shock pads is a lifesaver, dampening vibrations so you can play longer without feeling sore. It's made of a durable blend of aluminum and carbon fiber, making it both lightweight and sturdy. With over 600 units sold in the past month, it's clear that this racket is also a favorite among beginners. However, some players found that the balance could feel a bit off for their swings. Honestly, if you're a beginner, you might not even notice this, but it could be a deal breaker for those who prefer a more head-heavy racket. This is perfect for beginners who value comfort and ease of play. Skip this if you're looking for something heavier or more advanced. At this price, you still get a high-quality racket for recreational play. Now, if you're looking for a little more protection against vibrations, the next racket is designed specifically with that in mind.
Product number 4, Oppum 2-Pack Tennis Rackets. We have the Oppum 2-Pack Adult Tennis Rackets, which are priced at $48.99. What really stood out to me is the arm-friendly protection features built into the frame. If you're worried about injuries like tennis elbow, this set might be exactly what you need. The 105 square inch oversized head provides a massive hitting area, which is perfect for beginners who might struggle with precise shots. The built-in dampening fibers help reduce impact shock, making each hit a little easier on your body. Each racket weighs around 290 grams, which is still light enough for easy swings. And with everything included, 2 rackets, a shoulder bag, and balls, you can hit the ground running. This set has sold over 500 units recently, indicating it's gaining traction. On the downside, some users mention that the rackets felt a bit bulkier than expected. But here's the thing, if you're more focused on comfort and support, that little extra weight can be a trade-off worth making. This is ideal for beginners who might be prone to injuries or just want a comfortable playing experience. Skip this if you want a more professional feel or are playing competitively. For the price, it's a great way to ensure you're protecting your arm while you learn. Now, if that last set's weight was a concern for you, the next one could be a lighter alternative.
Product number 5, Hyralia Lightweight Racket Set. We have another great option from Hyralia, also priced at $41.99. This set is specifically designed for teens and students, making it a great choice for school or casual backyard matches. If you're looking for a lightweight racket that can stand up to rough play, this one is definitely worth considering. Constructed from thickened, impact-resistant aluminum, these rackets are built to survive the wear and tear of enthusiastic beginners. Weighing in at just 280 grams, they're incredibly easy to handle, helping younger players develop their skills without feeling weighed down. Plus, the included pressureless tennis balls are perfect for maintaining bounce over time. With over 400 units sold recently, parents and students seem to love this set. However, some users reported that the frame could bend with aggressive use. But honestly, if you're just starting out or using them for casual play, it's not likely to be a big issue. This is perfect for teens or students looking for a reliable starter kit for school or casual matches. Skip this if you need something more professional or if you play seriously. For the price, you're getting a fantastic deal on a complete gear set. Now that we've gone through all these options, let's wrap things up with some final thoughts. So, to quickly compare, the Wilson Tour Slam options are great for affordability and power, while the Hyralia sets offer complete packages for beginners. The OPPU-M rackets provide extra comfort, and the lightweight Hyralia set is perfect for teens. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Racket, because it strikes the best balance between quality and price for casual players.